Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to transfer XDC to a Ledger Nano X. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step before following through with this video is to ensure that everything is up to date and that you are running the latest firmware available for your Ledger. After you ensure that everything is up to date and running the latest version available, the first step to do this method via MetaMask is to download and install the MetaMask extension in your browser. Afterwards, open MetaMask and create a regular MetaMask account. After you are properly set up, open MetaMask in your browser, click on the three dots and expand View. Connect MetaMask to the XinFin network mainnet. Plug in your Ledger device into your computer and open the Ethereum app on your device. Afterwards, your device should display application is ready. In MetaMask, click the ident icon, select Connect Hardware Wallet and Ledger, and click Continue. Afterward, a list of account addresses will appear. Select an account by ticking the box and click Unlocks. Now, your XinFin or XDC account and XDC balance appear in MetaMask. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer XDC to your Ledger Nano X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.